Welcome everyone to our exploration of conservatism. It's a concept that's often talked about but not always fully understood. We will spend this lecture discussing what conservatism truly means. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get started. Conservatism, more than meets the eye. Now, if you were to ask 10 different people to define conservatism, you would likely get 10 different answers. That's because conservatism isn't a rigid ideology. It's more of a mindset, an approach to life, society, and governing. At its core, conservatism emphasizes tradition and prudence. Conservatives hold a deep respect for the wisdom of the past. They believe that traditions, customs, and institutions that have endured the test of time often carry valuable insights. Change isn't rejected outright, but it's approached cautiously with an emphasis on gradual evolution rather than abrupt revolution. Individual freedom and personal accountability. Conservatives champion individual liberties and believe that individuals have the best knowledge to make choices about their own lives. They place a strong emphasis on personal responsibility and self-reliance, viewing these as essential for a flourishing society. Limited government, strong communities. Conservatives generally advocate for a smaller role for government in people's lives and in the economy. They tend to favor free markets, lower taxes, and less regulation, believing that individuals and communities are often better suited to address social challenges. National security and shared identity. Conservatives prioritize a robust national defense to protect their country's interests and values. They often emphasize a shared national identity rooted in common history, culture, and traditions. A spectrum of conservatism. It is crucial to remember that conservatism isn't monolithic. There are various strands and flavors of conservative thought. Some of the most prominent include fiscal conservatism. This emphasizes economic freedom, free markets, balanced budgets, and low taxes. Social conservatism. This emphasizes traditional values, family, and often religious faith. Libertarian conservatism. This prioritizes individual liberty above all else and seeks to minimize government intervention in both economic and social matters. National conservatism. This emphasizes national identity, sovereignty, and cultural cohesion. It's also worth noting that conservatism can look different depending on the historical and cultural context. What is considered conservative in one country or time period might not be the same in another. The evolution of conservatism. Conservatism has a rich and complex history. Its origins can be traced back to philosophers like Edmund Burke, who cautioned against the dangers of revolutionary change. Over time, conservatism has adapted and evolved in response to changing social, economic, and political landscapes. Why study conservatism? Understanding conservatism is essential for anyone interested in politics, history, or social issues. It's a major force in many countries around the world and has significantly shaped political discourse. Whether you agree with conservative ideas or not, studying it helps you gain a deeper understanding of the world and the debates that shape it.